Presto Pressure Canner, a safe and economical way to preserve produce, meat, and fish. With limited freezer space, a bountiful harvest can be a challenge. Preserve all that garden goodness with a Presto Pressure Canner, meat and fish too. The 80-page recipe and instruction book guides you step by step. Constructed of heavy-gauge aluminum, the canner is made to last. Works on electric, gas, and even smooth-top ranges. Pressure canning is the only method recommended safe by the USDA for canning low-acid foods like vegetables, meats, poultry, and seafood. The Presto Pressure Canner doubles as a boiling water canner for fruits, jams, jellies, pickles, and salsa. Use it as a giant pressure cooker too. The canner is covered by a 12-year limited warranty and is easy to use. Position the canning rack in the canner, add water, and place your prepared jars of food on the rack. Line up the arrows and the cover twists on. Turn on the burner, let the canner vent for a few minutes, and place the regulator on the vent pipe. Allow the pressure gauge to rise to the pressure that's indicated in the recipe and process for the specified time. Designed for easy, confident home pressure canning, it's the smart choice for food preservation. The Presto Pressure Canner. Available in 16 and 23-quart models.
Your Ninja Foodi Deluxe is equipped with 9 cooking functions for endless mealtime possibilities. The pressure, steam, slow cook, and yogurt functions are used with the pressure lid. Use the sear, sauté without the lid for browning and flipping ingredients, just like on your stovetop. The air crisp, bake, roast, broil, and dehydrate functions are used with the crisping lid. To adjust the temperature or pressure level, press the temp button and turn the knob to select your desired temperature. To adjust the cooking time, press the time button and turn the knob to select your cooking time. Press the start/stop button to begin or end your cooking cycle. Use the pressure function to quickly tenderize and infuse moisture into your foods with pressurized steam. After pressure cooking your food, use the air crisp function to tender crisp your food to perfection. Use the steam function to cook foods you typically steam in a pot on your stovetop. Steam infuses moisture, seals in flavor, and maintains the texture of your foods. Use the slow cook function for low and slow cooking for chili, stews, and pulled pork. Use the yogurt function to easily create delicious yogurt. The air crisp function delivers a crispy, golden texture using little to no oil. The bake roast function allows you to cook meals in the pot as you would with your oven. The broil function used with the Deluxe reversible rack finishes off your meals with caramelization and crispiness. The dehydrate function allows you to gently remove moisture from ingredients to create snacks like chips and jerky. Visit ninjakitchen.com for exciting recipe ideas to get you started. For more information, visit www.ninjakitchen.com.
Introducing the Fast Slow Pro by Breville. Pressure cook, slow cook, steam, reduce, saute and sear, all with a press of a button. Let's see it in action. Take the pressure out of cooking with the Fast Slow Pro. Brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.